The rise of Generative Engine Optimization or GEO. Why your SEO is already broken. Stop wasting time on old SEO tactics. The rise of Generative Engine Optimization or GEO. Why your SEO is already broken. Stop wasting time on old SEO tactics. If your content strategy is still focused on simple keyword matching, you're already falling behind. The age of AI search engine is here, and it has just introduced a new critical player. Generative Engine Optimization, or commonly called as GEO. GEO is fundamentally transforming how businesses approach content visibility, and fueled by the latest evolution of AI, GEO requires content to align with generative AI needs, meaning we must move beyond basic keywords to understand true user context and intent. For your businesses, embracing GEO is the only way to enhance your content creation and dramatically improve your search engine visibility. In this video, you'll discover the concrete benefits, the critical challenges, and the practical actionable tips you need to stay ahead in this new SEO landscape. You know that you cannot afford to ignore this shift. So now is the time to master Generative Engine Optimization to keep your businesses competitive and relevant in the age of AI. The mechanics of Generative Engine Optimization. Well, Generative AI has broken old SEO, but exactly what are we optimizing for? GEO is fundamentally a new approach to improve your visibility on the latest generation of search interfaces. We are talking about AI-driven search engines like Google's new AI overviews. Here's the critical difference. Traditional search engines like Google rewards content for ranking based on largely things like keywords and backlinks. But GEO throws that out. Instead, it targets AI search engines that generate detailed, context-rich responses to complex user queries. For example, when a user asks a highly complex question, the AI search engine utilizes these modules to synthesize a detailed overview rather than just delivering a long list of relevant links. This means the old way of content creation simply won't cut. The goal is no longer just to rank high in a blue link list. The goal now is to create content so precise and authoritative that the generative AI chooses to naturally incorporate your information into its final summarized response. To achieve this, your content needs to focus on three key features: quality, context, and relevance. Your content must be well structured, highly informative, and able to address user queries comprehensively. Think about it. If you search for something complex like best ways to improve website speed, the AI doesn't show one link. It generates a single response that combines multiple sources into one coherent overview. To win the GEO game, you must produce detailed, high-quality information that the AI can easily incorporate into that synthesized response. Now that we understand what GEO is, let us understand how Generative Engine Optimization actually works. How do we actually implement it? What changes in your daily workflow? The mechanics of winning an AI overview. GEO is all about fundamentally aligning your content with how AI-driven search engines generate responses. This is a massive break from the past. Traditional SEO relied heavily on keyword research and simple meta tags. You were optimizing for a simple checklist, but now we are optimizing for intelligence. GEO dives much deeper, focusing on deeply understanding true user intent and complex user behavior. The entire goal is to create content that fits seamlessly into AI. So, how do you reach read the AI's mind. You use AI. AI and machine learning are crucial aspects here. These technologies analyze millions of data points, including organic search metrics and deep user intent, to generate content that is relevant and actionable. We are not just talking theory. We are talking about powerful tools that support these GEO efforts. First up is a phrase which uses AI to help you create content that directly answers the most common questions related to your topic. By directly addressing user intent, your content becomes far more visible in generative search engines. Next up is Surfer SEO. This tool intelligently combines traditional SEO practices with advanced AI-driven insights. It analyzes top-ranking pages to give you precise guidelines on content structure, optimized keyword usage, and even the ideal content length. If you're optimizing for a query like how to create an effective email campaign, traditional SEO might just check for the keyword density. But AI tools now analyze the intent behind that query, looking at millions of data points to generate relevant, highly actionable content that addresses every facet of that complex request. This shift requires you to go beyond just producing text that ranks. It demands content that provides the visual and interactive elements that AI can easily incorporate into its sophisticated responses. Ultimately, this means instead of grinding on repetitive tasks, we need to invest more energy into the creative and strategic initiatives that truly define our brands. The undeniable benefits of generative engine optimization. We've seen that GEO is, and we've reviewed the powerful tools helping marketers execute it. But let's get down to what does adopting GEO actually do for your business. Incorporating GEO into your strategy is critical, allowing your business to dramatically improve its digital presence in the world where AI-driven search engines are fast becoming the absolute norm. Here are the key benefits that translate directly into your bottom line. Enhance content creation and keyword targeting. Forget the old SEO playbook where you try to stuff keywords into every paragraph. GEO flips the script entirely. The result is content that is more valuable and inherently superior. This superior targeting makes your content more likely to appear in nuanced search results, driving a substantial increase in organic search traffic to your site. Improved user experience and engagement. GEO isn't just about feeding the machine, it's about serving the human. When you master generative engine optimization, you are positioning yourself to provide personalized and text-rich content that perfectly meets your users' exact needs. Think beyond the link click. This commitment to superior content quality leads directly to better engagement and a far more satisfying user experience. When users are satisfied, they stay longer, they trust your brand more, and they return. Increased search rankings and visibility. This is the ultimate prize. Measurable success in the search results. When you deliberately align your content with the complex needs of AI-driven search engines, you drastically improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. This strategic optimization doesn't just nudge your position up, it boosts organic search traffic, making your business massively more visible and instantly accessible to potential customers who are looking for exactly what you offer. The GEO Minefield, challenges and roadblocks. The benefits sound amazing, but let's be honest, migrating your entire marketing strategy isn't easy. While GEO offers significant advantages, it also throws up some critical challenges that every business must conquer. Challenge number one is the technical complexity. The single biggest hurdle right now is the complexity involved in optimizing for these AI-driven search engines. GEO demands a deep working understanding of the concepts like natural language processing and structured data. Essentially, you need to understand the nuances of how the generative engine's brain prioritizes context and fluency. If you're coming from traditional SEO, this technical complexity can feel absolutely daunting. It's a completely different language. Challenge 2. The creativity crisis. The second challenge is maintaining the balance between AI efficiency and authentic human creativity. AI is incredibly at generating fluent, efficient results, which is great for optimization. But if you become overly reliant on AI generated content, you risk stifling the unique, brilliant creative input that only a human can provide. Your voice, your unique insight, that's what keep audiences loyal, and you cannot let the machine mute it. Challenge number 3, the trust trap, ethical considerations. Finally, we must address the ethical considerations. As AI tools become more powerful, businesses have huge responsibility to ensure their use of AI is transparent. Your content must genuinely serve real user needs, not just be designed purely to drive search volume. Ignoring this step is the quickest way to lose trust and authenticity in this increasingly AI-driven world, which can fatally wound your brand's credibility. Now let's talk about the solutions. 3 steps to master GEO. The good news is that these challenges are entirely manageable with the right strategy. To overcome these hurdles and maximize the rewards of GEO, here are 3 actionable tips you can implement right now. First, invest in expertise. You cannot afford to go into this transition blind. You must invest in expertise. This means either partnering with a specialized digital marketing agency or aggressively investing in training to ensure your internal team has the necessary skills for effective GEO implementation. Treat learning GEO like acquiring a high-value essential skill. Second is embrace the balance. AI as assistant, human as master. This is about defining roles. Use AI to manage repetitive tasks. Use it for tedious work like complex keyword analysis and data processing. This frees up your human creative team to focus their energy entirely on producing the unique, engaging, and authoritative content that the AI search engines actually reward. Don't let the AI drive the car. Let it handle the engine maintenance. Number 3 would be champion ethics and transparency. Make serving your audience your ultimate goal. Prioritize ethics and transparency. Always ensure that the content driven by your AI tools genuinely addresses user needs rather than just chasing raw search volume. This commitment to authenticity is what preserves trust and ensures your brand remains competitive and credible in the long run. So, we've covered the map, but the destination is clear. The SEO landscape has changed forever. The era of chasing simple rankings with old, ineffective traditional SEO tactics like keyword stuffing and shallow backlink building is over. These methods are rapidly becoming obsolete because generative engines prioritize only content that delivers real value and context. The shift is undeniable. Generative engine optimization is expected to evolve significantly in the coming years and will quickly become central to any digital marketing strategy. As AI algorithms become more advanced, harnessing the power of natural language processing and machine learning in platforms like Perplexity AI and Niva AI, they will deliver more accurate and personalized responses to complex user queries. Your goal is now simple but critical. You must refine your optimization strategies to ensure your business is the source that sophisticated AI chooses to reference. This demands a complete rethinking of your strategy, focusing ruthlessly on creating high-quality, user-focused content that deeply resonates with both human needs and AI algorithms. The evolution is happening rapidly, and staying ahead of this GEO trend is essential for maintaining your competitive edge. Now, you have the framework and you understand the stakes. To solidify your success in this new AI-driven world, you need to see exactly how these changes apply in real time. Click here to watch my next video where I break down the e-commerce marketing strategies to ensure your e-commerce business success. Don't wait for your competition to catch up. Embrace generative engine optimization now. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.